Welcome to Life Theory. In today's riveting exploration, we're delving into the fascinating world of wealth. Not just any wealth, but the diverse universe of affluent individuals. This journey will take us through the compelling stories of 15 different types of wealthy people, from those who've struck it rich seemingly overnight to those who've inherited centuries-old royal fortunes. We'll be unmasking the stealth wealthy, shining a light on the high-risk gamblers of the financial world, and exploring the lives of the richest celebrities. We'll discover the secrets of the tech millionaires and the trades of the crypto-rich. Every individual's path to wealth is unique, filled with lessons, insights, and strategies that you can apply in your own pursuit of financial success. So, prepare to be inspired, educated, and possibly even surprised as we embark on this exciting journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Accumulated wealth rapidly. There's a certain breed of individuals who have a knack for seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. They are the ones who've mastered the art of rapid wealth accumulation. This isn't about overnight success, it's about a potent combination of strategic thinking, decisive action, and a bit of that entrepreneurial magic. These individuals often come from diverse backgrounds and industries. Yet, they share a common trait, an unyielding belief in their vision and their ability to manifest it. They are the tech startup founders who pivot at the right moment, the stock market wizards who make informed, intelligent bets, or the real estate moguls who buy low and sell high, again and again. Accumulating wealth rapidly requires a unique tolerance for risk. But it's more than that. It's about knowing when to take that risk and when to step back. It's about timing. It's about understanding trends and capitalizing on them before they become mainstream. And then, there's resilience. Rapid wealth accumulators are not deterred by failures. They see them as learning opportunities. They embrace the mantra, fail fast, learn faster. They adjust their sails and chart a new course. So, what's the secret sauce? Is it just luck? Far from it. It's a mindset, a way of thinking, a way of living. It's about constant learning, perpetual growth, and a commitment to personal and professional development. In this journey of rapid wealth accumulation, it's crucial to remember that wealth is not the end goal. It's a means to an end. It's about the freedom it offers, the ability to make choices, and the opportunity to make a positive impact. Number 2. Richness through property investments. In the intricate tapestry of wealth creation, one thread that's been woven consistently through the ages is property investment. Let's delve into the world of those who've built their wealth empires from the ground up, literally. Real estate has long been a favored playground of the rich, and for good reason. It's tangible, it's valuable, and it's a fundamental human need. Regardless of economic swings, people always need a place to live and businesses require premises to operate. This inherent demand makes property investment an attractive avenue for wealth creation. But it's not just about buying a piece of land and waiting for its value to appreciate. Successful real estate investors master the art of identifying potential growth areas ahead of time. They have a keen eye for neighborhoods on the brink of gentrification, cities poised for an economic boom, or regions likely to benefit from planned infrastructure projects. They are also adept at adding value to their investments. They could do this by developing the property, upgrading existing structures, or transforming the usage of the space to meet evolving market demands. They understand the market dynamics, the psychology of tenants and buyers, and the regulatory environment. But, property investment is not for the faint-hearted. It requires significant initial capital, patience, and a willingness to take on a certain level of risk. It also involves managing the ongoing responsibilities of being a property owner, which could range from maintenance and repairs to dealing with tenants and navigating zoning laws. The wealthy individuals who've made their fortunes through property investments understand that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic game that requires knowledge, instinct, and diligence. It's about envisioning what could be, not just what is. Number 3. Wealth acquired via trading and hedging. Trading and hedging are like two sides of the same coin. Trading is about buying and selling assets, such as stocks, commodities, or currencies, aiming to profit from price fluctuations. Hedging, on the other hand, is a strategy designed to offset potential losses that may be incurred by these price changes. Those who've amassed wealth through trading have a deep understanding of financial markets and are often masters of analysis. They're not just tuned into the ebb and flow of the markets, they anticipate them. They delve into economic indicators, company reports, and market trends, making calculated bets based on their analyses. Trading is not just a matter of understanding numbers and charts, though. It also requires a strong emotional constitution. Successful traders must remain cool under pressure, manage their fear and greed, and know when to cut their losses. They understand that not every trade will be a winner and that the key to long-term success is to ensure that the wins outweigh the losses. On the flip side, hedging is about protection. Those who've acquired wealth in this manner appreciate the value of a safety net. They use various financial instruments, such as options and futures, to mitigate risk. If they've invested in an asset and they worry the price may fall, they'll hedge their bets by investing in another asset that's likely to increase if the first one falls. The world of trading and hedging is fast-paced and constantly evolving. Those who thrive here are not afraid to take calculated risks. They are disciplined, analytical, and emotionally resilient. They don't just see the volatility of the market as a risk, they see it as an opportunity. Number 4. Wealth stemming from royal lineage. Royal wealth is a distinctive category because it's typically inherited and spans generations, sometimes even centuries. Rooted in history, these fortunes are often intertwined with the establishment and growth of nations. This wealth is not just about money, it includes power, influence, and often, a significant role in shaping a country's identity. For those born into royal families, wealth management is less about creating it and more about preserving and growing it. Royal families typically hold their wealth in a variety of assets. These can include palaces and castles, expansive tracts of land, valuable artwork, and even crown jewels. These tangible assets often symbolize the family's history and heritage. But royal wealth isn't just about asset management. It's also about diplomacy and public relations. Royals often have a dual role as both wealthy individuals and representatives of their nations. They are expected to maintain a certain image, uphold traditions, and sometimes even participate in the governance of their country. While the lifestyle may seem glamorous, being born into such wealth comes with its own challenges. The pressure to uphold a family legacy, the lack of privacy, and the scrutiny of public life are just a few examples. However, being part of a royal lineage also offers unique opportunities. Royals often have the resources and influence to make a real impact on issues they're passionate about. Many use their platform to promote charitable causes and bring attention to important social issues. As we continue to explore the many faces of wealth, it's worth remembering that each type comes with its unique set of opportunities and challenges. For those born into royalty, wealth isn't just a fortune, it's a legacy to be preserved and a responsibility to their nation. Number 5. Affluence through technological ventures. In our fast-paced digital age, technology has become a powerful engine for creating wealth. It has given rise to a new breed of wealthy individuals who are not just rich but influential game changers. These tech entrepreneurs disrupt traditional industries, redefine our daily lives, and in the process, build fortunes that can rival those of established business tycoons. These tech-savvy individuals often start with an innovative idea, a problem to solve, or a gap in the market. They then leverage technology to turn these ideas into tangible products or services. The journey from concept to successful tech venture is not an easy one. It requires a mix of ingenuity, technical skills, business acumen, and a considerable amount of perseverance. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals today, such as Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg, have built their fortunes through technological ventures. They've created companies that have not only generated immense wealth for themselves but have also reshaped entire industries. Their ventures, Tesla, Amazon, and Facebook, respectively, have become integral parts of our daily lives. However, success in the tech sector is not guaranteed. It's a highly competitive field marked by rapid change and innovation. Today's successful product can be obsolete tomorrow. It requires a constant process of learning, adapting, and innovating to stay ahead. Despite the challenges, the potential rewards are vast. Successful tech ventures can scale rapidly, reaching millions of users and generating substantial revenue in a relatively short time. Number 6. Philanthropic wealth with global impact. Philanthropy is not just a means of giving back to society. For some, it becomes their main way of creating influence and leaving a legacy. These are individuals who have made their fortunes and then dedicated a significant portion of their wealth to making a positive impact on the world. This form of wealth might not always reflect in the bank balance, but it is vast and impactful in ways that money can't always measure. Consider the likes of Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. While they've amassed incredible fortunes, they are equally renowned for their philanthropic efforts. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, they've poured billions into initiatives tackling global health issues, education, and poverty. Their wealth is not just creating change, it's transforming lives and shaping the future. Philanthropy on this scale is a powerful tool for global impact. It allows individuals to tackle systemic issues, fund innovation, and make a tangible difference in areas where resources are often limited. It's about making strategic investments in humanity's future and watching those investments yield returns in the form of progress and improved lives. But it's not just the ultra-wealthy who can create this type of wealth. Philanthropy is not defined by the amount you give but by the intent and impact of your actions. Whether it's a small donation to a local charity or a large-scale funding project, it's about using your resources to make a difference. In the grand scheme of wealth, philanthropic wealth with global impact stands out for its transformative power. It's a testament to the fact that wealth is not just about accumulation but also about contribution. It's about how you use that wealth to influence and shape the world around you. Number 7. Wealthiness in the spotlight, celebrity rich. Celebrities are part of a unique wealth bracket, where their affluence is often as public as their work. Their wealth comes from a variety of sources such as films, music, sports, endorsements, and even their own business ventures. What differentiates celebrities is that their wealth is often intertwined with their public image and popularity. A hit movie, a chart-topping song, a championship win, or even a well-placed endorsement can catapult a celebrity's wealth to astronomical heights. Think of the likes of Kylie Jenner, who leveraged her fame from reality television to build a beauty empire, ultimately becoming the youngest self-made billionaire. Or consider LeBron James, whose wealth comes not only from his phenomenal basketball career but also from endorsements, movie roles, and his own business ventures. But celebrity wealth isn't just about the numbers, it's also about influence. Celebrities often have the power to sway public opinion, set trends, and even impact markets. A simple social media post from a celebrity can send a brand's sales soaring or bring attention to important issues. However, it's not all glitz and glamour. Celebrity wealth comes with its own set of challenges. The public scrutiny can be intense, and their earnings can fluctuate wildly based on popularity, relevance, and demand. In the grand tapestry of wealth, celebrities paint a vibrant and highly visible thread. Their wealth, just like their lives, is played out in the spotlight, providing us with a fascinating glimpse into the possibilities and challenges that come with fame and fortune. Number 8. Trust Fund Beneficiary Wealth. Trust fund beneficiaries are a unique group. Their wealth usually stems from the fortunes of their parents or ancestors, stored and grown in a trust fund set up on their behalf. Trust funds are legal arrangements that allow a third party, or trustee, to hold and manage assets for the beneficiaries. Families like the Waltons of Walmart fame, or the Mars family of the Mars chocolate empire, are quintessential examples of trust fund beneficiaries. They inherited their wealth from the entrepreneurial efforts of their ancestors, and their trust funds ensure the preservation and growth of these assets across generations. The wealth of trust fund beneficiaries often affords them a range of privileges from an early age. These can include access to top-tier education, global travel, and diverse investment opportunities. However, it also comes with its own set of challenges. One key challenge is the perception of unearned wealth. Trust fund beneficiaries often face stereotypes of being unambitious or privileged, which can overshadow their individual achievements. They might also grapple with the pressure of maintaining family wealth and upholding a legacy that they did not create. Another challenge is the management of the trust fund itself. Beneficiaries often need to understand complex financial and legal concepts to effectively manage their wealth and make informed decisions. In our exploration of wealth, trust fund beneficiaries present a fascinating contrast to self-made millionaires. Their wealth journey begins not with building, but with preserving and growing an already established fortune. Number 9. Mysteriously wealthy. Some people seem to have wealth that's difficult to trace. Their income sources are hidden or ambiguous, they often maintain a low profile, and their lifestyle seems to be funded by resources that aren't entirely clear. This is the realm of the mysteriously wealthy. The origins of such wealth could be diverse. Perhaps it came from a fortunate investment in a startup that became a tech titan, or from a wise bet on an obscure cryptocurrency. Maybe it was an inheritance that was kept private, or earnings from a business that operates mostly out of public view. The key characteristic here is a lack of public knowledge about the source of their wealth. The mysteriously wealthy often have a unique set of challenges and advantages. Their wealth affords them the freedom to explore their interests and passions without the public scrutiny that typically comes with high-profile success. However, this anonymity can also lead to isolation, and the lack of a public profile can make it difficult to leverage their wealth for larger opportunities. Despite the intrigue and speculation that often surrounds them, the mysteriously wealthy serve as a reminder that wealth and success can take many forms, and not all of them are visible to the outside world. Their stories illustrate that success doesn't always equate to public recognition, and wealth doesn't necessarily require a public platform. As we continue to explore the diverse landscape of wealth, remember that success might be closer than you think, and it might not look exactly like you imagine. It could be quietly growing in a venture you're passionate about or lying in an opportunity that no one else has noticed yet. Stay tuned as we uncover more fascinating aspects of wealth in our upcoming segment. Number 10. Rich through repeated entrepreneurial success. These serial entrepreneurs possess a unique combination of skills, traits, and attitude. They are resilient, willing to fail and try again. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They are not afraid to take calculated risks, and they have a seemingly insatiable appetite for innovation. Their journey is often characterized by a series of ups and downs. They may have experienced spectacular failures before achieving their first big success. But, once they do, they don't rest on their laurels. Instead, they use their wealth, experience, and networks to launch new ventures. This approach to wealth creation is not for everyone. It requires a considerable amount of energy, flexibility, and risk tolerance. It also demands a deep understanding of markets, industries, and consumer behavior. But for those who thrive in such environments, the rewards can be immense. The stories of serial entrepreneurs are a testament to the power of perseverance, creativity, and strategic risk-taking. They remind us that wealth often comes to those who dare to think differently, who are willing to step outside their comfort zones, and who are relentless in their pursuit of innovative solutions to problems. Number 11. Stealth wealth. In the realm of wealth and affluence, there exists a group of individuals who opt to keep their wealth under wraps. Welcome to the world of stealth wealth, a fascinating domain where money is abundant, but its presence is often understated or even hidden. Stealth wealth is not just about money, it's a lifestyle choice. It's the decision to drive a modest car even though you can afford a luxury one, to live in a comfortable but unassuming home instead of a mansion, or to wear simple clothing instead of designer brands. It's about deliberately choosing not to showcase your wealth. But why would someone choose to be stealthily wealthy? There are several reasons. Firstly, it helps to avoid unwanted attention, scrutiny, or even envy from others. It also allows individuals to form relationships based on genuine connections rather than financial status. Furthermore, it offers a level of financial security, as flying under the radar can deter potential threats. However, practicing stealth wealth requires discipline and a strong sense of self-worth. It's about understanding that your value isn't tied to the car you drive, the house you live in, or the labels on your clothes. It's about finding satisfaction in knowing that you have the means to live comfortably without the need for external validation. Despite its subtlety, stealth wealth isn't about being deceptive or dishonest. It's about privacy, discretion, and the freedom to live life on your own terms, unswayed by societal pressures to flaunt wealth. Not all wealth is visible. Some choose to keep it discreet, quietly enjoying the comfort and security it brings. Number 12. All or nothing high-risk wealth. This is the domain of those who've placed everything on the line for the chance to win big. Think entrepreneurs who've invested their life savings into a single venture, or investors who've poured every penny into a high-risk, high-return investment. They are the high rollers, the risk-takers, the all-or-nothing players in the game of wealth. The all-or-nothing pathway to wealth isn't for the faint-hearted. It requires courage, conviction, and an unwavering belief in oneself and one's vision. It's not uncommon for these individuals to face sleepless nights, financial uncertainty, and the constant threat of failure. But they persevere, driven by the prospect of a payoff that could transform their lives and the lives of generations to come. It's important to remember, however, that this path to wealth is fraught with risk. For every success story, there are countless others who've lost everything in pursuit of their dreams. It's a path that requires not only financial resources but also emotional resilience and a willingness to embrace failure as a potential outcome. In the end, the all-or-nothing wealth builders are not just risk-takers, they are dreamers, innovators, and trailblazers. They remind us that sometimes, to achieve extraordinary results, one must be willing to venture into the realm of the extraordinary. Number 13. Wealth from authorship. This is a realm where words are the currency, and creativity, imagination, and storytelling are the keys to unlocking unimaginable riches. Authors, in many respects, are entrepreneurs of the literary world. They invest their time, energy, and talent into creating a product, their book, with the hope that it will resonate with readers and generate income. However, unlike most other forms of entrepreneurship, authors often work alone, without the support of a team or the guidance of a mentor. They face the blank page, armed only with their ideas, their passion, and their unwavering belief in their story. The journey to wealth through authorship is often a long one, fraught with rejection and disappointment. But for those who persevere, the rewards can be tremendous. Authors like J.K. Rowling, Stephen King, and James Patterson have amassed fortunes through their writing, proving that the pen can indeed be mightier than the sword when it comes to wealth creation. Moreover, wealth from authorship extends beyond financial gain. Authors have the power to touch lives, to inspire, educate, and entertain. They can create worlds that exist long after they're gone, leaving a legacy that can endure for generations. Number 14. Affluent through cryptocurrency. Now, we venture into a relatively new territory, where digital currency reigns supreme: affluence through cryptocurrency. In the digital age, cryptocurrency has emerged as a powerful force, carving out a unique niche in the realm of wealth creation. Pioneered by Bitcoin, the crypto world has exploded into a vibrant ecosystem of countless digital currencies, each with their own unique features and uses. Those who are quick to recognize the potential of these decentralized, blockchain-based assets and invested early, have seen phenomenal returns. The stories of Bitcoin millionaires and even billionaires, such as the Winklevoss twins or the mysterious Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto, are well known within the cryptosphere. The path to crypto wealth is not a smooth one, though. The volatile nature of cryptocurrencies means that the journey is often characterized by dramatic peaks and troughs. It's a realm where fortunes can be made and lost overnight. It demands a deep understanding of the market, a well-calculated risk tolerance, and often, a certain degree of luck. But beyond the financial gains, investing in cryptocurrencies also signifies a belief in a future where decentralization, transparency, and digital sovereignty are valued. It's about being part of a financial revolution that challenges traditional monetary systems and offers new possibilities for wealth generation. Number 15. Richness from inspiring others. Our exploration into the multifaceted world of wealth culminates with a unique category, one that is as rewarding emotionally as it is financially: richness from inspiring others. In the realm of motivation and personal development, individuals have carved out a niche for themselves, leveraging their personal experiences, insights, and wisdom to help others lead better lives. These are the motivational speakers, life coaches, and authors who inspire millions around the world with their powerful narratives and transformative ideas. Their wealth is not merely a function of their earnings, which can indeed be substantial, with leading figures commanding high speaking fees, best-selling books, and successful personal development programs. Their true richness lies in their ability to touch lives, to ignite change, and to make a difference. They inspire people to dream bigger, to overcome challenges, to unlock their potential, and, in doing so, they cultivate a wealth that transcends material assets. These individuals often come from diverse backgrounds, and their stories are a testament to their resilience and determination. They've overcome obstacles, turned their struggles into strengths, and their lessons into inspiration for others. They've turned their personal brands into thriving businesses and their messages into movements. At the end of the day, the richness they gain from inspiring others is twofold. There's the tangible wealth, reflected in their financial success. But perhaps more importantly, there's the intangible wealth, the fulfillment that comes from making a positive impact, the respect and admiration they earn, and the legacy they build. It's a reminder to all of us that wealth is not just about accumulating material assets. It's also about making a difference, about living a life of purpose and meaning. It's about inspiring others and in the process, enriching ourselves. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of the different kinds of wealthy individuals. Each path to wealth is unique, each journey filled with its own set of challenges and rewards. We hope that these insights have illuminated the diverse landscape of wealth creation and inspired you to carve your own path. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, the path to wealth begins with a single step. So, wherever you are in your journey, keep striving, keep learning, and above all, keep on rising.